estranged dads / healing from a distance. Forgiveness is not for him. It is freedom for you. Maybe you have not spoken to your dad in years. Maybe something happened, something real, something painful, that created a distance you do not know how to cross. Maybe you love your dad from a distance because that is the only safe way to love him right now. Maybe you are still carrying anger or hurt or grief for a relationship that never became what you needed it to be. This episode is for you, and I am going to speak to you honestly with love. Let me start by saying your feelings are valid, every single one of them. The hurt is valid. The anger is valid. The distance is valid. If something happened between you and your dad that made you step back, you did not do that for no reason. You did it to protect yourself. And protecting yourself is not something you ever need to apologize for. But today, I want to talk about something deeper. I want to talk about the weight you are carrying. Because here is what nobody tells you about estrangement. The person who suffers the most from unresolved anger is the one who is carrying it. Your dad may not feel the weight of what happened between you, but you feel it. Every Father's Day, every family gathering, every time you see a father and child laughing together and something in you aches for what you did not have, that weight is real, and you do not have to carry it forever. I want to talk about forgiveness, but not the kind the world usually sells. Forgiveness does not mean what happened was okay. It does not mean you have to call him. It does not mean you have to invite him back into your life. It does not mean pretending the pain was not real. Forgiveness means choosing yourself. It means saying, I refuse to let what happened between us continue to take up space in my present and my future. It means releasing the story not because it was not true, but because you deserve to be free of it. That kind of forgiveness is not a gift you give your dad. It is a gift you give yourself. And if you are the person who loves their dad from a distance, who has chosen to honor the relationship in a way that keeps you safe, that is not weakness. That is wisdom. Love does not have to be loud to be real. Love does not have to be close to be genuine. You can wish someone well from across a room, across a city, across a lifetime. And that love still counts. On this Father's Day, wherever you are in your journey with your dad, I want you to know that healing is available to you, not on anyone else's timeline, on yours. You do not have to rush it, you do not have to force it, but when you are ready, choose your own freedom. Choose your own peace. Choose to put down what is too heavy to carry. You deserve a life that is not defined by someone else's absence or failure. You deserve to be whole. And you are allowed to get there in your own time and your own way. Happy Father's Day. This one is for every heart that is still in the process of healing. You are braver than you know, and you are not alone.